Hello my dear friends, welcome to Infigyan. In this very exciting video of algebraic challenging equations, we have got one very interesting equation today. Cube root x plus 2 whole power 4 plus cube root x minus 2 whole power 4 equal to 256. We have to find out all real values of x. So let's get started by considering our substitution. So substitution would be cube root x is equal to y. Why this one is our substitution? Because you can see it is plus 2, here it is minus 2, which is symmetrical with respect to origin. That's why the middle point or midpoint would be our substitution. That's why origin. Cube root x minus 0 equal to y or cube root x equal to y. Let's put this value in the given equation. So equation will become y plus 2 whole power 4 plus y minus 2 whole power 4 equal to 256. Now we have to write the expansion for y plus 2 whole power 4 as well as y minus 2 whole power 4. Then we will add both. So for expansion, we have to write the coefficient of the expansion. So Pascal's triangle. Okay, Pascal's triangle. So for power 2, let me write here. For power 2, this row 1 3 3 1, this is for power 3, 1 4 6 4 1, this is for required power 4. Let's write the expansion. Okay, I will write first power will decrease, so I will begin with y power 4 plus, see the coefficient, 1 is done, 4 times y cube times 2 plus, this is also done, now 6 y square, second power will increase in the ascending order, 2 square, now fourth coefficient will come, plus 4 y only, y power 1 or y only, times 2 cube plus last is 1. So I will write 2 raised to the power 4. Okay, y power 0, so no need to write, that is 1. Now for y minus 2 whole power 4, we had to write y power 4 minus 4 times y cube times 2 plus unchanged y square 2 square. This term would be again with minus sign because 2 would be, power would be odd, so minus will come out, plus 2 raised to the power 4. Now I am going to add both the equations. So let's add. So once I will add y plus 2 whole power 4 plus y minus 2 whole power 4, we will be having, see these terms I will cancel. What is left? 2 times y power 4 plus 6 into 4, 24. So 24y square plus 16. Okay. So in LHS I am going to write the LHS value, that is 256. As you can see, this is 256. So LHS is 256 equal to 2 y power 4 plus 24y square plus 16. In next step, I would write y power 4 plus 24y square plus 16 equal to 256 over 2, 128. So last equation means y power 4 plus 24y square minus 112. 128 minus 16 is 112. So this is nothing but quadratic equation in y square. You can see it is quartic, but it is quadratic in y square. So we can apply quadratic formula also, or you can give substitution also. So let me write this equation and directly we can apply quadratic formula. So I will write y power 4 plus 24y square minus 112 equal to 0. So I will write here It is quadratic in y square, so y square will be minus b minus 24 plus minus square root b square 24 square, which is 576 minus 4ac 112 times 4 448, but plus sign, minus into minus plus over 2. This will give us minus 24 plus minus square root 1024. If you will talk about square root, then it is 32. 24 plus minus, if you will check 32 square, then it is 1024. If I will consider plus sign in between, so 32 minus 24, 8 over 2, 4. If you will consider minus sign in between, so minus 24 minus 32 minus 56 over 2 minus 28. And this is your y square. Remember what was our substitution? Y is equal to cube root of x. Remember this thing. Okay. Now I am going to put the value of y square, that is in terms of x. But before that, we will find out y first. Then we will find out x. So y will be, but let me write y square is equal to 4 plus minus 28. We can write 28i square it is. As we all know, I is equal to square root minus 1. So y will be equal to, take square root of this. So it will become plus minus 2. And this will become, I can write I times 4 times 7. So 2 root 7 with plus minus sign. Now you can easily see, if y is a complex number, then x will be also complex number. So we will reject this. Rejected, as it is complex number. So this solution we will reject. Only y equal to plus minus 2 will be accepted. Okay. So let's find out x. So here I will write y is equal to cube root x. So let me write plus minus 2 is equal to cube root of x. Take cube both sides. So x will be equal to plus minus 2 whole cube. So ultimately x will be equal to plus minus 8. So there are two values. We have to check for if any solution is extraneous. So let's verify that also. So let me write here verification, and I am going to put x equal to 8 first. If x is equal to 8, its meaning is cube root of x is equal to 2 plus 2. Okay, let's put, so I will get 2 plus 2 whole power 4 plus 2 minus 2 whole power 4, which is 4 power 4, and here 0 power 4. 4 power 4 is 256 plus 0, so 256. That means this is true and verified. Now come to second value, x is equal to minus 8. If we are checking for x equal to minus 8, that means cube root of x is equal to minus 2 in this case. Okay, so directly we will be putting here. Let's put, so I will get minus 2 plus 2 whole power 4 plus minus 2 whole power 4. Now this will 0 power 4 plus minus 4 power 4. Power is even, so minus you can remove. 4 power 4, which is equal to 256, which is our RHS. Hence this is also verified. So let me write our final solution. X is equal to plus and minus 8. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Take care.